Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. Now it's a Mark 7 facelift, 1.5 litre, TSI, match Evo, 150 PS. Now the car is great and it has a good spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, an automatic post-collision brake, distance monitoring, rear tinted windows, a forward collision warning, a hydraulic brake assist, and that's alongside these 16-inch Woodstock alloy wheels. The boot as well, it's a decent size, and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a composition media system, WeConnect, and a multi-device interface. For more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.